Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write onboarding notes in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive Files. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on Choose Template. Then scroll down to Work, as you can see here, and then tap on Onboarding Notes. Here we have a template that we can use to write our welcome letter to our company. And yeah, we can just fill out the details here, and that's going to be pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.